Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word blatant. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The referee's decision was so blatant that even the fans in the stadium were in disbelief. Blatant means something done openly and unashamedly, without trying to hide it or disguise it, often in a way that is offensive or obnoxious. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.